Assalamu alaikum, New Oxford Social Studies for Pakistan, Class 5. Dear students, now today we are going to start our lesson number 15 from chapter number 6, Minerals, Power Resources and Industries. Today our topics are, first one is minerals, second raw material, third one is the mining industry, fourth metallic and non-metallic minerals. Learning outcomes. You can define the minerals. You can explain the Pakistan's mining industry. You can define metallic and non-metallic minerals. You can explain the raw material importance for industry. After the lesson. Our first topic is minerals. Minerals are substances that are formed naturally in the earth. Rocks are made of minerals. Minerals are usually solid and organic, have a crystal structure, and form naturally by geological processes. Our next topic is raw material, the basic material from which a product is made. बेसिकली रॉ मटेरियल वो मटेरियल है जिससे हम कोई न्यू प्रोडक्ट जो है वो बनाते हैं और रॉ मटेरियल जो होता है वो नेचुरल बेस होता है, उसके अंदर किसी इंसानी हाथ का कोई अमल दखल नहीं होता. For example, grains such as wheat and rice, honey from a bee nest, crude oil, minerals or metal from a mine. All these are examples of raw material. Raw material play an important role in the production process to a great extent as success of the economy of a country is determined by the amount of natural resources held by a country within its borders. A country holding ample amount of natural resources doesn't require importing of as many raw materials. Types of minerals. Basically, there are two types of minerals. First one is metallic mineral and second one is non-metallic mineral. Do you know what is metallic mineral? Metallic mineral is usually hard and has a shine of their own. For example, iron, copper, bauxite and tin. And non-metallic minerals are not usually hard and have no shine of their own. For example, salt, coal, mica and clay. First we will discuss metallic minerals. Metallic minerals, as the name suggests, metallic minerals are the minerals that contain one or more metals. In general, they occur as mineral deposits and are a good conductor of heat and electricity. For example, iron, copper, gold, bauxite, manganese, etc. Pakistan has deposits of several minerals including coal, copper, gold, chromite, mineral salt, bauxite, and several other minerals. There are also a variety of precious and semi-precious minerals that are also mined. Our second type is non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals are as a special group of chemical elements from which no new product can be generated if they are melted. Non-metallic minerals are, for example, sand, gravel, limestone, clay, and marble. Our first non-metallic mineral is gypsum. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral composed of calcium sulfate dehydrated with the chemical formula CaSO4 2H2O. It is widely mined and is used as a fertilizer and as the main constituent in the many forms of plaster, blackboards, sidewalk, chalk, and drywall. Plus making fertilizers, cement, paper, paints, rubber, plaster of Paris, etc. This is found in the salt range mined at Khevra, Dandot and Daud Kher in Pakistan. Our next non-metallic mineral is magnesite. Magnesite is used as a refractory material, a catalyst, and filler in the production of synthetic rubber and a material in the preparation of magnesium, chemicals, and fertilizers. Basically, this is found from Spinkan, Balochistan. Next one is gemstones. A gemstone is a piece of mineral crystal which in cut and polish form is used to make jewelry and other adornments. Gemstones found from various places in Pakistan, like emeralds from the Swat Valley, rubies from the Hunza, tourmaline from the Skardu, topaz from the Skardu and Mardan. Our next non-metallic mineral is barite. Barite is the primary ore of barium which is used to make a wide variety of barium compounds. Some of these are used for X-rays shielding. Barite has the ability to block X-ray and gamma rays emissions. Barite is used to make high-density concrete to block X-ray emissions in hospitals, power plants, and laboratories. Plus, barite is also used in oil industry where it is mixed with clay to control the oil pressure in wells. Plus, used in paint, glass, and insecticides. Basically, barite is found from the Khuzdar in Balochistan, plus Kundi, Penkhari, Kola, and Fakir Muhammad. Our next non-metallic mineral is fluorite. Fluorite, also known as fluorspar, in the mineral form of calcium and fluorine. It is an industrial mineral used in the manufacture of chemical, ceramic, and steel glassing making. Fluorides with exceptional color and DFNNT are used to decorate ornaments. This is found from Koi Maran and Koi Dilband. Our next mineral is sulfur. The greatest commercial use of the element is the production of sulfuric acid for sulfate and phosphate fertilizers and other chemical processes. The element sulfur is used in the matches, insecticide, and fungicides. It is found from Koi Sultan and Sani. Our next non-metallic mineral is soapstone. Some wood burning stoves make use of soapstone to take advantage of its useful thermal and fire-resistant properties. Soapstone is also used to curve Chinese seals. Currently, soapstone is most commonly used for architectural applications such as the countertops, floor tiles, shower bases, and interior surfacing. This is found from Zob, Safedko, and Sherwan. Our next non-metallic mineral is marble. Marble has a diversity of physical properties that make it useful stone in architecture, construction, cosmetic, agriculture, and landscaping. This is found from Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Marble occurs in different colors like white, gray, yellow, and brown. Our next non-metallic mineral is rock salt. Rock salt occurs in the white and pink seams in the salt range. It's used in cooking and preserving in the food industry. Salt is used to make various sodas for laundry, textiles, and tanning. A substantial amount of rock salt is also exported. In Pakistan, rock salt is found from Kalabad, Jatta, Bahadur Khel, and Karak. Our next non-metallic mineral is limestone. Most limestones goes to the manufacture of cement for concrete and mortars. Both limestone and chalk are imported in the making cement. The most common type, Portland cement, is made of crushed limestone mixed with clay and heated in large clay. In Pakistan, limestone found in many places and uses in production of lime, bleaching powder, glass, soap, paper, and paints. Our next non-metallic mineral is clay. Clay is used for making pottery, decorative pieces like jars, pots, vases. Fuller earth is used in oil, drilling, foundries, and steel mills. Clay is also used in construction products such as bricks, walls, floor tiles. Clay is found in Pakistan from different places. Our next point is mining industry. As you know, mining industry is very important for any country economy. Rock salt was first mined in Pakistan in 1872. In 1974, the government started the Pakistan Minerals Development Corporation. और इस कॉरपोरेशन का काम था कि पाकिस्तान के अंदर जितनी भी माइनिंग हो रही है उसकी निगरानी करना. Its job was to develop the copper mines at Santat in Balochistan. In 1979, the Gemstone Corporation of Pakistan Limited was established to find gemstones and set up an industry. Okay, dear students, today your home task is question number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Our first question is name the different minerals found in Pakistan. Why are minerals important? Answer is coal, copper, gold, chromite, mineral salt, bauxite, gypsum, fluorite, limestone, clay, sulfur, and iron ore, etc. Minerals are important as raw materials for industry. आप जानते हैं कि बहुत से मिनरल्स जो हैं वो पाकिस्तान के अंदर मौजूद हैं और मिनरल्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं किसी भी इंडस्ट्री के लिए. इंडस्ट्री को रन करने के लिए आपको रॉ मटेरियल चाहिए होता है और मिनरल्स जो होते हैं एज अ रॉ मटेरियल जो है किसी भी इंडस्ट्री के अंदर यूज किए जाते हैं. Our question number 2 is why is it not worthwhile to mine some minerals? Answer is sometimes it is difficult to reach the minerals and quite expensive to acquire machinery and labor required to mine them. If the quantity available does not justify the cost, it is not worthwhile to mine them. Next one is question number 3. Which parts of Pakistan are rich in minerals? Answer is Balochistan province is the richest in the mineral sources available in Pakistan. While recently Sindh discovered coal deposits in Thar, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is rich in gemstones. Most of the mineral gems found in Pakistan exist here. Our next question is question number 4. The highest use of electricity in the Punjab. Balochistan uses very little. Can you give some reasons for this? जैसे कि आप जानते हैं कि पंजाब के अंदर सबसे ज़्यादा बिजली जो उसका इस्तेमाल होता है जबकि बलूचिस्तान के अंदर बहुत कम इस्तेमाल होता है. हालांकि बलूचिस्तान जो है वो पंजाब से बड़ा सूबा है, तो ऐसी क्या रीजंस हैं जिनकी वजह से बलूचिस्तान के अंदर इसका इस्तेमाल कम होता है? Answer is Punjab uses a lot of electricity because many of the industries are located there, which require a lot of electricity to run. On the other hand, due to lack of industries and smaller population in Balochistan, less electricity is used there as compared to Punjab. जैसे कि पंजाब की आबादी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. आप जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा जो आबादी के लिहाज से सूबा है वो पंजाब है. तो पंजाब की आबादी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है, वहाँ पे इंडस्ट्रियल एरिया भी बहुत ज़्यादा है जिसकी वजह से वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है वो ज़्यादा यूज़ होती है बनिस्बत बलूचिस्तान की. बलूचिस्तान के अंदर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इसलिए कम यूज़ होती है कि वहाँ पे इतनी अच्छी इंडस्ट्रीज नहीं है और पॉपुलेशन जो है वो भी बहुत कम है. आपको पता है कि जहाँ रकबे के लिहाज से बलूचिस्तान सबसे बड़ा सूबा है पाकिस्तान का, वहाँ पॉपुलेशन के लिहाज से सबसे छोटा है. Next one is question number 5. Explain the importance of power resources for a country. Power sources are important because they are needed for the running of industries, households and transportation. Power resources जो होते हैं वो क्यों ज़रूरी हैं, किसी भी स्टेट के लिए क्यों ज़रूरी होते हैं? तो आंसर ये है कि पावर रिसोर्सेज जो हैं वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती हैं इंडस्ट्रीज को रन करने के लिए. हाउस होल्ड्स जो हैं आपकी जितनी भी हम जब अगर लग्जरियस लाइफ गुजार रहे हैं तो हमारे पास बहुत से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जो अप्लायंसेस होती हैं उनको रन करने के लिए और ट्रांसपोर्टेशन जो है उसको रन करने के लिए हमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी या पावर रिसोर्सेज या एनर्जी की ज़रूरत होती है. Okay, dear students, let's start our bookwork page from page number 57. Part A. Make your own glossary about the minerals of Pakistan by completing the table below using the names of the correct minerals. First one is blank में आप chromite लिखेंगे. The only metallic ore mined on a large scale in Pakistan, mainly used to harden steel. Second one is barite, a non-metallic minerals used in making paints, glass, insecticides mainly found near Husdan and Balochistan. Third one is marble, a decorative stone used in buildings, occurs in white, grey, yellow, and brown color. Fourth one is rock salt, a non-metallic mineral used in cooking, preserving, and to make various sodas, mainly found in salt range. Fifth one is sulfur. Sulfur used as a raw material for sulfuric acid found in Koi, Sultan, and Sani. Sixth one is limestone. Limestone raw material for cement, also used to make glass. Our B part is match the places with minerals. First one is Hunza. रूबीज जो है हुंजा से फाउंड की जाती हैं और रूबीज के लिए हुंजा जो है फेमस है. क्रिंच से एंटीमोनी, खोइटा से क्रोमाइट, स्कर्दू से हम एक्वामायरन, कोई मारवान से हमें फ्लोराइड हासिल होता है, स्पिन काम से हम मैग्नेसाइट और ड्रैकोडिक से हम कॉपर को फाइंड करते हैं. Our next part is C part from page number 58. C part is this industry receives power from different sources. However, the engineers have forgotten which power is coming from which source. Can you help them? Write the name of the energy: coal, petroleum, oil, natural gas, electricity and solar energy in the boxes. अब जो आपको डिटेल्स इन बॉक्सेस के ऊपर दी गई हैं, उन डिटेल को देखते हुए आपने बताना है कि किसके अंदर कौन सा मिनरल जो है वो फिट होगा या कौन सा रिसोर्स है जो आपका पावर रिसोर्स है वो फिट होगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फर्स्ट वन इज बिफोर इट कैन बी यूज्ड इट हैज टू बी रिफाइंड, यानी ये यूज करने से पहले रिफाइन किया जाता है. तो रिफाइन करने से हमें फौरन से माइंड में ये चीज आएगी कि ऑयल एक ऐसी चीज है जिसे रिफाइन किया जाता है. 60% ऑफ दिस रिसोर्स इन पाकिस्तान कम्स फ्रॉम लोअर से. दिस इज ऑयल. तो ब्लैंक के अंदर हम ऑयल लिखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वन इज इट इज मेड फ्रॉम ऑयल विच इज फाउंड डीप बिलो द अर्थ सरफेस. अ ग्रेट अमाउंट इज इम्पोर्टेड एवरी ईयर. क्योंकि पाकिस्तान अपनी पेट्रोलियम की जरूरियात को पूरा नहीं कर पाता, इसलिए उसे से ज्यादा पेट्रोल जो है उसे इंपोर्ट करना पड़ता है. तो इसके अंदर आपका पेट्रोलियम आएगा. नेक्स्ट वन इज दिस इज पाकिस्तान सेकंड मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी. इट वाज फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड एट सुई. सुई का मकाम जैसे ही आप सुनेंगे तो आपके माइंड में फौरन से नेचुरल गैस आ जाना चाहिए. जैसे आपको बहुत अच्छे से मालूम है कि फर्स्ट डिस्कवर्ड जो है गैस वो सुई के मकाम से हुई थी. नेक्स्ट वन इज this source of energy is mined in the salt ranges around Quetta and in Lord Singh. 50% of this resource in Pakistan come from the Lord Singh, and this is coal. Next one is it is measured in watts, megawatts. It is produced in three ways: hydel, thermal and nuclear. हम बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रिसिटी जो है उसको मेजर वाट्स के अंदर किया जाता है और ये तीन वेज जो है उनसे हम बनाते हैं, जैसे हाइडल है, थर्मल प्रोसेस है या न्यूक्लियर प्रोसेस है. तो यानी आंसर जो है इसका इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है. नेक्स्ट वन इज वी हैव ओनली अ फ्यू यूनिट्स टू प्रोड्यूस दिस काइंड ऑफ एनर्जी बट वी कैन हैव मोर बिकॉज वी हैव अ लॉट ऑफ सनशाइन. क्योंकि आप जानते हैं कि पाकिस्तान में सूरज की रोशनी काफी देर तक स्टे करती है, सनशाइन काफी अरसा तक रहती है और स्पेशली गर्मियों का सीजन हमारा बहुत लॉन्ग होता है, तो इसलिए हम सोलर एनर्जी जो है उससे फायदा उठा सकते हैं. तो यहाँ का आंसर जो होगा वो होगा सोलर एनर्जी. Guidelines for parents. Dear parents, all the main points discussed in the lesson. Make sure students listen the lesson carefully. Question number 1, 2, 3 and 4 discussed in the lesson. So ask your child to do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. All questions on notebook. Make sure that spelling should be correct while writing answer. Make sure your child learn the home task on daily basis. Dear students, I hope you understood all the questions and topics very well. Complete your home task and bookwork page. Thank you.